Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to open the Excel and various functionality of Excels. So to open the Excel you must have to install the Excel on your machine. Once you install the Excel in your machine you have to go to the start menu. After that go to the all programs and find Microsoft Office folder in which you will see one Microsoft Office Excel 2007 or whichever version you have installed. So click on that Microsoft Office Excel 2007 and Excel will be open. Now let's see various tools that are provided by Excel 2007. First let's see Office button. Using the Office button we can work with our Excel workbook. So we can create new workbook using the new option. If you want to open our existing workbook then we can use open button. We can also save our workbook which have data. We can also save as workbook in Excel workbook, Excel macro enable workbook, Excel binary workbook and in PDF format also. We will see these all options in detail when we are working with Excel. If you want to print particular area of workbook then we can also do this using the print option. This is the various document distribution, or when we want to share our document then we can use this prepare option, and we can also secure our workbook using this option. When we want to send this workbook using email, Bluetooth, email as a PDF attachment or internet fax then we can do this using the send option. And lastly, and publish. It provides various Excel services, document management server and create document workspace. And finally close. If you want to close the workbook then you can do this using this option. So this is the various Office button options. In 2007 there will be ribbons which provide different functionalities, like in home you can use your clipboard controls, you can manipulate your fonts, you can give alignment to your text, you can use number formulas and other things, styling your Excel document, cells formatting and editing of your Excel workbook. So this is the ribbon of home. And likewise insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, load text and team. So these are various ribbons available in Excel 2007, and we will see features of these ribbons to create our Excel workbook throughout this tutorial. So this is about introduction to Excel. Thank you.